Hello and welcome to the Cryptocurrency News Channel. Now, we got another survey, and although I do think these surveys are kind of biased towards people that already believe in crypto, it is encouraging nonetheless. And it's actually seeing that European families are not really just looking at crypto as speculative endeavors, but they are actually looking at it for long term savings for their family. And long term means multiple years, which means you're probably going to make a lot of money in crypto regardless throughout those years. So the study noted that 3 out of the 5 European respondents declared a 50% growth in your crypto investments. So basically, they're stowing away for a long time, and even in the bear market, they are actually still increasing their crypto investments. Obviously, not enough to affect the wallet, but enough to increase investments overall. While there are risks associated with crypto investing, some may see it as a way to boost their family savings. A recent study commissioned by crypto trading platform BitMEX shows. The survey, conducted by research firm Kantar, tried to discover crypto-related trends among customers in 2022. So the thing is, since it's actually commissioned by BitMEX, they're going to be kind of biased. So they went through 3,000 respondents within 14 markets and in Europe, Asia, and Latin America. And Europeans were the best to actually look at crypto as a method for investments and saving up for their families. Notably, they did not actually survey North America, which has the biggest market in the United States. So 55% of European participants declare that they currently hold cryptocurrency. 70% of these respondents noted that crypto's main function is to be used for their family needs and not for massive amounts of speculation, like Koreans buying the whatever the hell's left out of the Luna corpse. So yes, apart from these findings, the study mentioned that 3 out of 5 European respondents declared a 50% growth in their crypto investments. While the number isn't as significant as winning the lottery, the survey notes that more than 80% of the transactions of the surveyed crypto owners are $1,000 or above. So essentially, these are people that move significant amounts of money that actually have growth in their crypto investments. And of course, people who respond to this survey in the first place are going to be more pro crypto. So I don't think it's a great gauge, but it just shows you that there is a good amount of European participants that actually have increased their stash during the bear market that actually move a fair amount of crypto. And at least in Europe, for some people, crypto is becoming less of a speculative entity and more as a long-term savings entity. And this is probably the worst nightmare for large banks, because large banks want you to put your money in their bank for long-term savings. So they might actually push harder for crypto to have harsher regulations because it threatens their business. Or they might integrate with crypto and get in on the business. BitMEX chief marketing officer Michelle Bertacco said that the survey's goal was to understand the investors' behavior better. After seeing the results, Bertacco explained that the mainstream appetite for crypto is growing at a very fast speed. That's probably right, whether it's in Europe or North America. Earlier this week, a different survey showed that people who have not invested in crypto are worried about volatility, environmental impact, and regulation. I think you can pretty much cross the middle one out. I think it's mostly volatility. Regulation, sure, but it's mostly volatility. Also, there's a lack of understanding as well. But this at least shows that in one of the world's major regions, crypto is being seen as less speculative and more as a long-term investment tool for actually building wealth. And that's what crypto needs to be seen as. And that is what most big banks are going to be afraid of, because then then the money will flow away from the big banks and into these new financial entities. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.